Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In this video I'd like to share with you guys how to switch back to your classic page. Okay, maybe you don't like your new page experience, so you want to switch back to your classic page. This video is for you. So without wasting your time guys, let's get into the Facebook official application. Let's take some review. So you open up your Facebook official application just like this one. You can go through the settings, you see all sorts of settings and other things. So you can see switch profile doesn't actually mean that you're going to switch to your how do I call it, doesn't actually mean you're going to switch back to your classic page. Okay, so how to switch back to your classic page? The option is not here in the Facebook official application. Okay, so let me show you where you can find it. Okay, so what to do is go to your Google Chrome. Okay, then here you can see at the top, tap on the search bar, type in www.facebook.com. Okay, then you search www.facebook.com. okay, so it will take you to your Facebook account in case you have already logged in through the www.facebook.com through a browser. But if you have not logged in before, it will show you a login page. Okay, so what you're going to do next, once you have logged in successfully, what you're gonna do next is you tap on this three dot icon at the top right corner of your browser. That's why I said Google Chrome, because not all browser has it. Then you tap on desktop site. Okay, so once you have tapped on desktop site or whatever, then you tap on the search bar again. All right, then tap on this pencil icon. Okay, once you have tapped on this pencil icon, remove this M dot. Okay, remove the M, put in www. Okay, once you have put in www, you search, then okay, all right, so it will take you to a page just like this one. So what you're gonna do right now is to select on your page, tap on your profile here. You can tap on your profile here. Okay, then you can now switch, tap on see all profile in case you have many profiles, but I think there's already a tab here where you can switch between your page. This is it. So this is my page here, my new page experience. So tap on your new page experience. So now switching profiles. Okay, so here is my page. Okay, this is the new page experience. So what you're going to do here, tap on your profile photo. Okay, then you now tap on your profile, which is on your name. Tap on your profile. Okay, so it will take you here. All right, so to switch back, it's no big deal. You see here, you see this three dot icon, this three dot here, tap on it. All right, so as you can see right over here, you can see it obviously switch to classic page. So you now tap on switch to classic page. It will ask you a question, okay, like this: content that you have shared as your updated page won't be moved to your classic page. So what it actually means, that it means that anything, all those content you posted while you was on classic page, okay, will not be moved back to your classic page. That means whatever you posted when you switch to your new page experience will not be there anymore in your classic page when you switch it back. So when you read and agree, you tap on okay, I understand, then you tap on continue. Okay, so that is just the way to switch back to your classic page. That's just the way to switch back to your classic page. But I don't want to switch back to my classic page because I already like my new page experience. Okay, so that is just the way to do it. Okay, so thanks for watching, and if you have any other question, you have any other queries, please don't forget, tap on the comment section, drop your comment, and I'm there with you. I'm there for you. I'm there to give you the video you may seek for, whatever you want. I'm there for you guys. Peace out. Remain blessed. Thank you for watching. Oh, don't forget to subscribe. All right, don't forget to subscribe. I'm done for today. Thank you for watching.